Congratulations on the purchase of your new Tennant Model R14 Rider Carpet Cleaning System. Not only will your machine perform well with its highly efficient carpet cleaning systems the day you receive it, but for a long time to come. This operator training video will be presented in 7 sections. How dual cleaning technology works, machine setup, controls and instrumentation, preparing to clean, cleaning, draining and cleaning your machine, and battery maintenance requirements. The safety labels that appear on the machine indicate important information you need to be aware of when operating the machine. One label located on the seat panel reads, "Warning, batteries emit hydrogen gas. Explosion or fire can result. Keep sparks and open flame away. Keep covers open when charging." Look for other safety labels on the machine and follow their instructions to protect yourself and the machine. It is the operator's responsibility to read and understand the operator's manual and to follow safety and operational instructions. How dual cleaning technology works. Your machine offers 2 cleaning technologies, restorative extraction and soil transfer extraction, which we call ReadySpace. By using both technologies, you can easily develop a cleaning program to greatly extend the use life and improve the appearance of your carpet. With the simple exchange of a vacuum hose and 2 rollers or brushes, you can easily switch from one technology to the other. Restorative extraction technology. You should use restorative extraction periodically to thoroughly clean to the base of the carpet. The amount and type of daily traffic are important factors to determine how often restorative extraction should be performed. This type of cleaning should be planned in advance and performed during closed hours. The allowable drying time is 4 to 8 hours. Note, drying time may vary due to carpet type and climate conditions. When using restorative extraction, an appropriate cleaning agent is pre-sprayed on the carpet manually using a sprayer. After allowing the cleaning agent to sit on the carpet for about 5 to 10 minutes, your machine is then put to work as water from the solution tank is sprayed directly onto the carpet. As the machine moves forward, 2 counter-rotating V-pattern brushes agitate the solution deep into the carpet. As the machine continues to move forward, the vacuum shoe recovers the dirty solution from the carpet. ReadySpace technology. You should use ReadySpace to clean visible soils on a daily basis, or as needed to maintain a high level of carpet cleanliness and improved appearance. ReadySpace may be used during normal business hours because often the carpet is dry in less than 30 minutes. When using ReadySpace, an appropriate cleaning agent is pre-sprayed on the carpet manually using a sprayer. After allowing the cleaning agent to sit on the carpet for about 5 to 10 minutes, your machine is then put to work. With ReadySpace, water is sprayed directly onto 2 counter-rotating nylon fiber rollers instead of the carpet. As the rollers rotate, much of the water is removed from them using 2 vacuum shoes. This leaves the rollers damp. The damp rollers then agitate the carpet, working both sides of the carpet fiber. The soiled rollers continue to rotate while rinse water and the 2 vacuum shoes easily extract the soil from the rollers. To prepare your machine to use restorative extraction technology, follow these steps. Step 1. Unlatch the idler plates and install the brushes. Note the eye on the end plug of each brush. It indicates the idler plate end of the brush. Step 2. Connect the restorative extraction vacuum hose on the rear of the machine to the main vacuum hose tube. As the hose is installed, a micro switch is triggered by the hose cuff to initiate the restorative extraction feature. To prepare the machine to use ReadySpace technology, follow these steps. Step 1. Unlatch both idler plates and install the 2 ReadySpace rollers. You can install the ReadySpace rollers with either end next to the idler. Note, The roller should be rotated after each 10 hours of operation. Step 2. Connect the ReadySpace vacuum hose on the rear of the machine to the main vacuum hose tube. Note: if the carpets are heavily soiled, before using ReadySpace, first use Restorative Extraction. Then begin your ReadySpace program. Controls and instrumentation. The steering wheel controls the path of machine travel. Also on the operator's control panel is an emergency stop button. Press the button to halt the machine power only in an emergency. To restart the machine, turn the emergency stop button to the right. Then turn the on-off switch off and then on again. To the right of the emergency stop button is a directional control switch. Place the switch in the forward position to propel forward and the reverse position to propel in reverse. Press the horn button to sound the horn. Note: the horn will sound in reverse as a safety warning device. An on-off key switch is used to control machine power. Turn the key to the right to turn the machine's power on and to the left to turn it off. The propel pedal controls the speed of the machine. The brake pedal slows and stops the machine. Touch buttons on the control panel direct machine cleaning functions. From left to right, we will explain how to control the machine operations. The one-touch cleaning buttons allow you to choose which technology you wish to use. The green button activates the ReadySpace technology, and the blue button activates the Restorative Extraction technology. 2 cleaning speeds are available. The machine defaults to the recommended speed when a cleaning button is pressed. 1 light is lit when cleaning at the recommended speed, and 2 lights are lit when cleaning at the high productivity speed. Note: travel speed will affect cleaning performance. For vacuum-only restorative extraction operations, the solution flow control switch allows you to stop solution flow. While operating in ReadySpace, the solution flow stays on to assure the rollers remain wet. The machine defaults to the recommended brush pressure when the Restorative Extraction one-touch button is pressed. A single light is lit for standard pressure. By pressing the brush pressure button, the pressure is increased to heavy pressure as indicated by 2 lights lit. The wand switch allows you to use the optional remote cleaning wand. Note: when the wand switch is activated, the machine will not propel. Directly in front of the operator are indicator lights. From left to right, these lights indicate the following machine operating conditions. The ReadySpace Restorative Extraction hose connection indicator will flash and the machine will not operate if the vacuum hose connection on the rear of the machine does not match the cleaning technology selected. The solution tank empty indicator will flash and all cleaning functions will discontinue when the solution tank is empty. The recovery tank full indicator will flash and all cleaning functions will discontinue when the recovery tank is full. The battery discharge indicator shows the remaining charge level of the batteries. When the batteries are fully charged, all 5 lights are illuminated. As the batteries discharge, the lights go out one after another until only the left light remains blinking. When the left light blinks, this alerts the operator of the low battery charge condition and the cleaning functions shut off. The machine will still propel, so you can drive it to the charging station and recharge the batteries. Note: do not charge batteries more often than necessary. Excessive charging could reduce the life of the batteries. If the fault indicator on the far right of the indicator panel comes on, there is a fault detected. If this light is on, contact a qualified service person. An hour meter records the number of hours the machine has been powered on. This information is useful when servicing the machine. Also under the seat, next to the hour meter, are 2 circuit breakers. Circuit breakers are resettable electrical circuit protection devices that stop the flow of current in the event of a circuit overload. If a circuit breaker trips, allow it to cool and then press the reset button. If the circuit breaker cannot be reset or trips again, contact a qualified service person. Preparing to clean with your machine. To get longer life and better performance out of your machine, there are a few daily checks that should be performed before starting your cleaning. Check the battery charge level indicated by the battery meter. Check the electrolyte level in each battery cell. Confirm the vacuum fan filter is clean. Make sure the recovery tank float switch is clean and check the condition of the tank cover seal. When using ReadySpace technology, check the rollers for wear. Inspect the roller vacuum shoes for debris. When using restorative extraction technology, check the brushes for wear. Inspect the extraction vacuum shoe for debris. Your machine is equipped with a water fill port on the right rear side of the machine. You can also fill your machine through the opening under the floorboard. Hot water is not required, but recommended. Note: never use water that exceeds a temperature of 60 degrees centigrade or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Warning: flammable materials can cause an explosion or fire. Do not use flammable materials in the tanks. When using either ReadySpace or restorative extraction technology, fill the solution tank with water only and pre-spray the carpet with pre-treatment cleaning detergent using the manual sprayer. You do not need to add cleaning detergent to the solution tank. Inspect spray nozzles for proper spray pattern. Check the brakes and steering for proper operation. Check the service records to determine maintenance requirements. Cleaning the carpet. Once again, for safety, do not operate the machine unless the operator's manual is read and understood. Vacuum the carpet to remove any debris. To start cleaning, first turn the on-off key switch to the on position. Next, press the one-touch button for the technology you are using. The light on the button will illuminate and all the preset cleaning functions will turn on. When using the ReadySpace technology, your machine can clean in either forward or reverse. Place the directional switch in the desired direction and depress the propel speed control pedal to begin cleaning. Plan your cleaning in advance. Try to arrange long runs with minimum stopping and starting, and clean an entire carpet area or section at one time. Note: when driving the machine, go slow on inclines and slippery surfaces. While operating the machine, monitor the solution tank empty and recovery tank full indicators, and drain or fill the tanks as required. Also observe the battery discharge level indicator and charge as required. If using restorative extraction technology, turn off the solution flow before you press the restorative extraction one-touch button to turn off the cleaning systems. This allows the vacuum shoe to recover water from the carpet. To stop using the ReadySpace technology, press the ReadySpace one-touch button and the cleaning systems will turn off after a short delay. When reversing during restorative extraction operations, the vacuum shoe raises and all cleaning stops. When traveling forward again, the cleaning functions will resume. Next, transport the machine to a level surface at the draining and cleaning site and turn the on-off key to the off position. Draining and cleaning your machine. Drain and rinse out the recovery tank after every use. Janitor closets with floor sinks are best suited for wastewater disposal. The tank drain hoses are located on the rear of the machine. The recovery tank drain hose is located on the right rear and the solution tank drain hose is located on the left rear. To drain the tanks, remove the drain hose caps and slowly lower the hoses over the drain site. You can lift the hoses to stop the flow if needed. Rinse out the tanks with clean water. Reinstall the drain hose caps and secure them after draining. When leaving the machine unattended, park the machine on a level surface and turn off the key. Battery maintenance requirements. Charging the batteries. When the battery meter begins to flash, stop cleaning and recharge the batteries. Attention! To prolong the life of the batteries and to provide optimum machine performance, we recommend that you run the machine until the battery charge indicator light flashes. Note: only recharge the batteries after a total of 30 minutes of use or more. The following charging instructions are intended for battery chargers supplied with the machine. Only use a battery charger with the required specifications to prevent battery damage. Transport the machine to a well-ventilated area for charging. Warning: fire or explosion hazard. Batteries emit hydrogen gas. Keep sparks and open flame away. Keep the battery compartment open when charging. Before charging the batteries, check the electrolyte level in each battery cell. The electrolyte level A should slightly cover the battery plates B. Add distilled water as needed. Do not overfill. The fluid will expand while charging and may overflow. Install the cell caps before charging. Leave the seat assembly raised to promote ventilation during charging. Connect the charger's AC power supply cord to a properly grounded receptacle. Connect the charger's DC cord to the machine's battery receptacle located behind the operator's left leg. The charger will automatically begin charging and shut off when the batteries are fully charged. Note: the machine will not operate once the battery charger is connected. Attention! Do not disconnect the charger's DC cord from the machine's receptacle while the charger is operating. Arcing may result. If the charger must be interrupted during charging, disconnect the AC power supply cord first. After charging, check the electrolyte level A again. The level should be approximately 1 centimeter or 5/16 inch from the bottom of the fill port B. Add distilled water if needed, but do not overfill. To keep your machine in good working condition, simply follow the maintenance procedures in the maintenance manual that came with your machine. Performing the daily operational checks, following maintenance procedures, and following the proper operating procedures for your Tennant Model R14 Rider Dual Technology Carpet Cleaner will ensure that it will perform in top condition throughout its useful lifetime. You will find it cleans better, has fewer maintenance issues, and effectively enhances the environment. We're sure you'll be happy with your Tennant R14 for a long time.